Welcome to our video, where I will show you 10 powerful noni juice health benefits. Let's get into it, shall we? Noni juice is derived from the fruit of a tropical evergreen plant called noni, popularly known as Indian mulberry. It is a shrub native to Southern and Southeast Asia and the Pacific Islands, and is even mentioned in ancient Ayurvedic texts. The fruit of the noni has been used medicinally to boost the immune system and detoxify the body for thousands of years. It is rich in powerful antioxidants, such as vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B3, niacin, and iron. Australian model Miranda Kerr has been drinking Tahitian Noni juice for 14 years now, and it's the one thing she can't live without, especially when she has a long day ahead of her. It's not only great for your skin, but also for your general well-being. Here are 10 health benefits of noni juice and why it's good for you. Number 1. Treats arthritis. The main complaint from patients who suffer from arthritis is pain. Various studies suggest that noni juice helps alleviate pain and reduce joint destruction implicated in arthritis due to its analgesic properties. If you lead a healthy lifestyle and drink noni juice daily, you can reduce arthritis pain to the minimum. Number 2. Lowers risk of gout. Gout is a kind of arthritis that is caused by the buildup of uric acid crystals in the joints. Studies have shown that noni juice can reduce uric acid concentration in the blood, thereby lowering the risk of gout. Number 3. Boosts energy. For thousands of years, noni juice has been used to combat general body weakness, boost energy levels, and improve the overall physical performance of the body. Number 4. Moisturizes skin. Noni juice is a powerhouse of antioxidants and works as a great moisturizer if applied on the skin. It naturally replenishes and repairs your skin, so forget about that dry, patchy skin and say hello to healthy, hydrated skin. Number 5. Fights aging. Noni juice is packed with vitamin C and selenium, which helps fight free radicals, preserve skin elasticity, and reverse the adverse effects of aging. It is important to take care of your skin and keep it healthy and young. Number 6. Treats scalp irritation. While there is not much medical literature on noni juice, we can say it has several benefits from conventional wisdom, since it is derived from the noni fruit. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties and can thus help treat scalp irritation. Number 7. Prevents cancer. Noni juice contains a whole slew of cancer-fighting nutrients. According to the National Centre for Complementary and Integrative Health, noni has shown immune-stimulating and tumour-fighting properties. The National Cancer Institute is funding preliminary research on noni for breast cancer prevention and treatment. Number 8. Boosts immunity. Strengthened immune system is yet another benefit of noni juice. Scopolamine present in noni juice possesses antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and antihistamine properties that boost the immune defense mechanism of the body. Number 9. Reduces stress. Noni juice helps manage stress and reduces the impact of stress on cognitive function. But only drinking noni juice cannot give you the desired results. You must practice yoga or meditate along with your daily dosage of noni juice. Number 10. Treats fever. Studies suggest that noni juice has antiviral properties and helps get rid of cough, fever, and body ache. It is important to take a shot of noni juice on a daily basis to reap the benefits. It is best consumed in small quantities. A quick tip. Noni juice has a pungent smell, one that's not easy to describe. So take a shot and chase it with pineapple juice or something strong to mask the flavour. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.